guys, story time, story time, story time. Yep, and we're gonna do it with the Wailers hair dryer. Y'all know I've been wanting a Dyson hair dryer forever, but who has that kind of money? And after talking to my hairdresser friends, they don't like their Dysons, so I'm not spending that money anyway. But this one comes with an amazing, and I mean amazingly long cord. This is crazy, super thick cord. Hold on a minute, let me plug it in. This has all kinds of features. Please stay with this. Don't just leave. It's not just an ad, because we're gonna do some education. On off button. Lord. That's slow. That's crazy. On the back, it'll tell you cool, warm, hot, and cycle. And my cycle's gonna go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's really nice. I've been sitting here playing with it a little bit. Comes with attachments. We have this big Mama Jamma right here, and we have this one. I'm not much for attachments, but watch this. I love this part. And it's on there. Oh my God, y'all, it's dry. 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. We'll say 3:20. We'll give it a few extra seconds, but my hair's dry. I didn't even use this. I straight used this. Didn't use this, but if you want to use it, there you go. Wailers. Wailers. And they give you presents with it.